Oh yeah, for anyone who was guessing, this Do Not Microwave wrapper was on a DVD. Whoever microwaves a DVD? I don't see how that can possibly warrant needing a sticker on it, because it never happens anyway. Do not microwave. Oh, that's a shame. Now I can't heat up my film before I watch it. I sound really croaky because I've just got out of bed. I'm gonna go down and get some breakfast. Chocolate Grave cereal and a nice stripy bowl. Had a lay-in this morning. Just about to take Chloe out. It's 25 to 10 because I got caught up watching this, Life in a Day. I'm only like 15 minutes way through it, but I thought rather than waste any more time this morning, I'll just watch it when I get home. But it is so good. It's just basically the videos I make, but everyone all over the world has made one. I feel like I look really skanky today. This is one of my new tops, and the colour does not suit me. It's like really pale pink. Oh, I don't know. So I'm wearing that, and then this big batwing snuggly grey cardigan, and my little necklace. My scruffy comfy jeans, my Clo is coming with me. Are you tired, baby? I love you, Chloe. I do. I do. She's going to knock me over. You always do that, Chloe. Don't. Licky, licky. Chloe. Chloe. Stop it. Stop it, Chloe. Chloe. You're so badly behaved. Chloe. Chloe! Chloe! Can I get up please, Chloe? Chloe! On the camera! That's it. You go. Chloe! That was sneaky. She just walked around me like she was leaving and going in my room, and as she walked past she licked my forehead. You never fail to cheer me up, Chloe. Right. Come on, pain in the ass, let's go for a walk. Oh, you got your collar on. Okay, this is stop with the licking of the camera. Right, where are my shoes? Think you'll get muddy? Chloe! Just stop licking me and just... Oh wait, there's mud in one of my shoes last time. That was the one, I just had it all fall out. There's a skirt. Oh, it's still in there. Yuck. I want it to move on. Why won't it come out? Stop putting your head in the way. And we're off. It's on, Chloe, we can go. We can go. Yeah, yeah. House keys, car keys, dog, tired dog. Guess what I'm doing? Walking Chloe. Who would have thought it? Such a strange thing for me to be doing, I know. Very out of character for me. Chloe's boring me today because she just has to sniff everything and I just want to walk and it's doing my head in. Like, let's stop every single individual blade of grass. There's some water. Yeah? I'll get you some. I'm really good at making water. Yummy water. See how much I spill. I tend to spill it and then stand in it with my sock. This is the hard bit. We made Chloe these so she doesn't have to bend down too far so she doesn't hurt her neck. Because we love you. We love you. This is my new nail combination. It's blue and I've got glitter on my ring finger on both hands. It's this blue by Barry M. It is 294 cyan blue. Oh, I just caught my cardigan on my nail. And then blue glitter, which is 297 by Barry M. And it's still wet. And I just ruined the end of it. Oh dear. I can't wait to get my decent camera at Christmas so I can focus on stuff. I'm going to do so many videos in December and January. I'm going to do what's in my purse. I'm going to do makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, monthly favourites, lots of tag videos, loads of stuff. I cannot wait. I think that's done. Is that done? Is that done? Is it done, Coco? Bless you. I think that's done. Means the bread gets stuck to the back. Look at that. Clean that. It's very difficult to cut this with one hand. I think I might go do some shopping, some Christmas shopping, and I also need powder because this is all gone. So my plan has just come to me. It's exactly 1 o'clock. I might drive into the shopping centre and then I can get my boyfriend and my dad's Christmas present, and then I might go to Lush and treat myself to some Lush stuff. I should probably go get powder as well from Superdrug. I'll probably have some points to spend on my beauty card. Go see how many points I have to spend. I think I might do that. This sounds like quite a fun idea. It's quite a lot of effort though. I don't know. I could do that, or I could just sit around the house for the rest of the afternoon. I don't know when my next day off is going to be though. I think I'm going to go shopping. I need to do something more productive because these videos are boring. Oh, I can get a new makeup bag. Oh, this is good. Yes, I'm going to go shopping. I'm going to get ready right now. Okay, that is so strange. I just made the decision to go shopping. Like, that last clip is like 10 seconds ago. And then my friend just texted me and she said, maybe shopping later. And I just texted, I was like, whoa, that's so weird. But yeah, shopping, but not later, maybe now. So, how weird is that? That is so strange. I'm going to get ready. Because I think I want to go now. Let's see what she said. Does she want to go now? Oh no, that's my boyfriend. I'm going to get ready and go shopping. This is really exciting. I've just parked up and I'm going to have an amble. Staples over there. Pets at Home and Comet. I'm going to go and Pets at Home first and look for some treats for Chloe. Then I might go over and Comet and have a look at camera bits and stuff. I might go into Staples, I might not, and then I think I'm just going to drive over to Tesco and I'm going to buy a Wii game, I think. One for Christmas for all the family to play together. I think I'm going to get a Wii Party. But I'm going to go and Pets at Home first. Found something for Chloe in Pets at Home. This is a pink. What's his foot? A pink fluffy duck. So I'll give her that when we get home. It's 2:15 now, and I'm going to go across to Tesco and see if I can find this Wii game. See what else I can find myself. So I'm going to go across there now. Hopefully it's not too busy. I'm at Tesco now. Gonna go inside and see what goodies I can find. I'm busting for the loo though, so I'm gonna go to the loo first. I might do what's in my bag soon, just because I love my new bag. Not here. Oh. I want this one because it's in a big glass bottle. I got a lot of goodies from Tesco. My keys even in the ignition. I got Pringles, which was buy one get one free. I don't want to unpack it because it was so hard to pack. A big bottle of Volvic water, stay hydrated. 2 little bottles of Mountain Dew. These tissues with really cute patterns on. A new air freshener. I'll open that now. This one lost its scent so quick. My car smells like a dog. And these 2 books, The Man Who Broke Into Auschwitz and James Patterson, Don't Blink. Oh, and the Twinings selection, A Moment of Calm. There's orange, mango and cinnamon, chamomile and spiced apple. What does that say? African honey bush, mandarin and orange. African rooibos, strawberry and vanilla. Chamomile, honey and vanilla. So they all sound very nice. 5 of each. Quite cheap, I think £1 something. And Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. And something else in the bottom. I don't have to unpack it all now. This is what I was trying to avoid. Oh, here it is. Carex Lavender and Rosewood Hand Gel. I want that and one of the packs of tissues in my handbag at all times. It was a very successful shop. I'm going to pack it all back in the bag now. How much did I spend? £20 exactly I spent on all of that. Quite successful, I think. I'm going to open my air freshener, repack my shopping and then go home.